How do you add friends on Twitch? In this video, I got you covered. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you for my stream support video where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. Adding friends on Twitch is quite simple. Once you're logged in under your account, and if you go to any Twitch page other than the home page, on the left ledger of the website, you will see a Friends tab. If you scroll down a little bit at the bottom, you will see a search bar where you can type in the username of the person that you would like to send a friend request to. Once you have found their name, you will have the option to click on a little icon which will send them a friend request. Once the friend request is accepted from that user, their name will be displayed on the left ledger underneath that Friends tab, which will let you know when they're live or idle or inactive, or if they're streaming or if they're watching another streamer. Making and adding friends on Twitch is a great way to discover new streamers. You can see what streams they're in. Since you like that person, they generally have the same taste as you. So you might want to see what streams they're checking out because you might make new friends or enjoy another streamer. If you guys like these type of Twitch quick tip videos, make sure you let me know in the comments below. And if there's something that you need help with, make sure you let me know. If you want to keep up with me, make sure you follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram. And if you'd like to help me and support this channel, make sure you hit and smash that follow and subscribe button over at twitch.tv/wildforgames. I will see you all in the next Twitch quick tip video coming up real soon. Take care all. Peace.